Okay, 1965 Mustang, getting a little bit of brake work done. And when you buy these front drums for either the 6-cylinder or the 8-cylinder, they don't come with the hub assembly with them. It's just the drum. So when you're looking at the old one, you'll see you got the studs and the hub assembly all pressed in there through the studs. Holds the two together. Here's the new one. What you want to do is take a very big sledgehammer or whatever very heavy hammer you have and hit the studs. And you might be able to individually get each stud, or as you're banging it, the whole hub comes out with the studs. So let's see. All right. Easiest way to do it.